Minfos allows you to export your drug pricing to import at another pharmacy or create a backup of your pricing before you make changes. From the Dispense Pro module, click the File menu and select 7 Export Pricing. The Export Drug Pricing window displays your export options. The file name defaults to drugpricing.txt and the default Minfos export location is H-Minfos01 Export. Alternatively, click the Browse button to change the export location. The export criteria defaults to MMPN. If required, change this to barcode. The price format defaults to dollars. If required, change this to cents. Then click OK. The export is processed and the number of exported records is displayed. Click OK. The export file is named drugpricing.txt and can now be found in H-Minfos01 export or the alternative location you chose to export to. To learn more about drug pricing in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.